Hi guys, Grudy's Racing Resto, and the apprentice, Stinky Stal. 535 goes tomorrow. So, look at next week's jobs. She's all kind of back together and ready to go. Next step is we load the boot tonight with all the extra parts. Still have not dropped subframes, the rear subframe and trailing arms off yet. Everything just gets diverted to the next day. Beautiful evening at least. Today was a half decent day. Apprentice. Today's spoils of war. Half decent at SR2s, or SR3s I think they are. These were Gumtree find. They were sub $1,000, so thought it was a good buy. Recover these instead of I have an SR2 and an SR3 at the moment, and I would have liked a pair, so finally got a pair for the M3. And here's the wheels. E90, 17 inch, 17 8.5 and 17 by 8. So a 17 by 8 e30 and a 17 by 8.5 at a e30. So I'll run 20 more spaces on the rear by the looks of it. But yeah, I might actually modify the wheels a little bit so they look a tad different. I have an idea. We'll work out whether or not I do it. Whether we just get them blasted and recovered and re-blacked, but professionally done. Yeah. Hey, the seats. As for the seats are they're half decent. They're a bit dirty, and they could do with a real good clean, and they got a bit dirty sitting in the back of the ute. But they're in one piece. No rips. A couple little bits of pulled stitching, but a little bit of warm bolster. Not too bad, so happy with that. Let's have a look at some other stuff. Right. I've got to take the head off this tonight. A little 2002 engine. I've got a client that's interested in the cylinder head, so we'll take this one off. Get it checked out. Let's see. Pallet M20 stuff with an M52 head sitting on it. That was a couple of weeks ago. Clean up. Next step is we're actually bringing we have some exciting stuff coming up soon. Right, let's go this way. So this week hopefully the centre bearing's back for the tail shaft and the tail shaft can go back in. The exhaust is all done. Full 3-inch exhaust all the way. Nice, all mandrel bent, all TIG welded. Should be nice and loud. Race car. But yeah. Yeah, so we're just waiting on getting that up under there, and then we can put that down and continue on. And this week we're going to hopefully get some 1 Series brakes machined. So 135 brakes, factory dog bone. I'll leave that. I'm going to modify it a bit here, just to clear the brakes. So it clears this brake pad here. And I'm going to mill the mounting pads down. So it'll take 2 or 3 mil off. And then should sit on the brake disc really nice. But yeah. So that's this week for you. I'll do some shorts and some other stuff and we'll go from there. Thanks.